Hello creatives, it's been a while, it's Ephemeral, Happy New Year, I hope everyone is fine, I hope you are safe guys. Yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded a YouTube video, but what can I say, it's my fault. I've been busy with some other projects. I started streaming on Twitch, I made another YouTube channel in Romanian where you will find resources and tutorials in graphic design. As an apology for you guys, I made this video where I will showcase 3 free fonts that you can use in your projects. Let's start with the first one. It's called Centrion. It's on Behance. Be sure to check out the description of this video because there you will find all the links, all the download links. It's a futuristic typeface made by these guys. As you can see, it's really awesome. Futuristic, it's variable. It's really nice. You have the letters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, symbols, so on and so forth. It's awesome. It's awesome, guys. You definitely need to check it out and download it and use it in your next project. And also leave a comment and tell me if you like this one or the other two. I will check every comment and I will reply to each and every one of them. The second one coming is Hermione. Really awesome. It's also a display typeface with 26 characters, 2 styles, normal and high, futuristic as well. As you can see, you have the letters all uppercase. And this is basically it. It's a really simple and minimalist project on Behance. As you can see, you have the download link in here. Be sure to check it out. Also drop a follow to Uncurving Nation for this awesome font. Third one, but not the last one, it's called Genesis and is made by William Dimas. It's also a free display font, guys, because I know how much you love display fonts, futuristic fonts that you can use. And let's see the letters. We have uppercase, lowercase, and some designs for you guys to get references, to get ideas, to get creative. Be sure to check my description, to check the description of this video. All the links will be out there. And also, while you are there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps me a lot. Don't forget to like the video and tell me in the comments what do you guys think. Comment and let's have a chat. Also, don't forget to join the Discord channel. Link will be in the description of this video. So Discord for creatives, for graphic designers, where we will share some knowledge, experience, critiques, free resources, so on and so forth, guys. It's really awesome and I really encourage you to join today. See you guys in the next one, and until then, stay safe. Bye.